Hello guys and welcome back to my video. So in today's video we are going to solve a Rubik's Cube. As you can see, this is 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube which I have to solve. This is non-sticker Rubik's Cube, you can take any of them. These non-sticker Rubik's Cubes are way more better, so you can take these instead of those. So now first let's scramble it. Let's shuffle it. Okay, I'm going to do it from any side. Okay, make sure you scramble it well. If I've already scrambled, then you can do a little bit more. Okay, I have scrambled it. As you can see, everything is scrambled. Okay, so now first step to solve this Rubik's Cube is to make a daisy. So first thing is daisy. So how to make a daisy? Daisy is petals which is white. Like you have to take the center yellow. Okay, so as you can see here, visualize it. So here yellow is there. Just below yellow there is white. There should be white. Okay, so in my case it's white. So now what I have to do is that I have to, like, this is the flowers pollen part. Think about it, just visualize it. And these are the petals. The edges are the petals. So we need to find all the petals. Okay, so let's find it. Okay, I'm going to find all the petals of it. Okay, sometimes these edges are, like, corners are also here. Just ignore it. Okay, afterwards we'll talk about it. Okay, that's fine. Okay, this is here. Like this. Okay, as you can see, the 4 petals and one more petal. This is extra, but just leave it, just ignore it as I did. So now what you have to do is that you need to solve the first layer. Okay, this is the daisy. You have to solve the first layer. Before doing that, we need to make a white cross. This is not a white cross. So for making white cross, you have to do these things. Okay, suppose this is red. As you can see, this is red center. So you have to find red here. Okay, as you can see now, these two are red. These two are same. You have to turn it twice. This will go down and stick here, and afterwards you will see the magic. Okay, now I'm not going to repeat every step, every single space. I'm not going to repeat that. You should, if you didn't got, then you can rewind my video and then see it again. Okay, so here's blue, and match it with blue and turn it twice. And there is red. I have attached to red, and then I'm going to turn it twice. Okay, here there is blue. So yeah, there we go, turn it twice. And then here there is green, so I need to find it here and turn it twice. So now as you can see, this will be jumbled. You will see that this is very jumbled and this is not looking good. Don't worry about it. See at the bottom, there's a white cross. Okay, this is a white cross, which is our aim to make this whole Rubik's Cube. Now as you can see, every single center has their corners, not corners, edges. Okay, all the edges are in their places. This is very important to be. Okay, now this cross will be facing down throughout this whole process till we solve this. This should be always down. White face should be always down. Now first we need to solve the white cross so that we can make the first layer, or else sometimes white will come here and then you will completely get jumbled and you will not understand anything. Okay, so what you need to do is that you need to find all the corners. Okay, suppose this is a corner, so corner, like beside that there is orange, so this orange should be matched to its orange center. Okay, remove that. I'm going to match this, so this is diagonally matched to its center. So now what you have to do is that Look, I'll tell you. So here we need to, this is white is just below it. You have to do up, and then wait 1 second. So here's orange, right? So it is here, it is on the left side, so you need to do the left trigger. Okay, so you have to do right here up, and then white should be matched, and then again down, so that cross doesn't move. As you can see here, one has been done, so you have to do till this white phase completes. Okay. Okay, so for me, few whites are down here, okay, and few are up. First let's see your pop up, the up. Okay, so if it's in the up, white is in the up, then you have to just turn it up and then turn it twice so that it comes out from there, and then you will find the white here. As you can see, white is here, and then you can do the same procedure. I've turned it in the orange, and then I'm going to do, it is on the right, so I'm going to do the right trigger up, and then like this. One more white has been inserted here. Now you have to do the same. Okay, so this problem is, most of the cases this problem will be there. So what you have to do in this, that if it is in the first layer, then what you have to do is that you need to turn it up, then turn it twice, then turn it down, then it will come up. As I told, you should not panic about it. If it will come up, just do the right trigger. If it isn't right, then you have to do the right trigger. And here you have the blue and the white. I'm going to match it to blue diagonally, and I'm going to do the left trigger because it is on the left. So as you can see, one is left, so it is on the also on the up side. So I'm going to solve it. Okay, I'm going to do this. It is again gone to up, so it's now down. Okay, so as you can see, this white face is done, and in bonus, the first layer is done. You can see your cube will look something like this. Okay, you are just a little bit closer to solving your Rubik's cube. Okay, so like this, something your cube should look before you solve the second layer. Okay, if one block is also missing, you have to do it again, or watch my video again, then you will get everything. Okay, now let's focus on solving the second layer. Second layer is very important because after second layer we are going to solve the yellow part. Stay tuned for that. Keep on watching my video. So now, as you can see, we have got the first layer. Now the second layer's turn is there. So what you have to do, you have to find the non-yellow blocks. That means, as you can see here, there is blue here, and at the down you have orange. Blue, orange. There is no yellow in these both. So what you have to do, you have to turn this orange to its orange center. And what you have to do, you have to see the upper color. There is blue and there is green. So what you have to do, you have to find the blue. It is on the right side. Suppose your blue is on the right side, then you have to turn this up face, okay, this orange up face, into the opposite side of this blue is here. So you have to turn it opposite side, okay, and then you have to do the right trigger because blue is on the right. Alright, so now we have lost one block and we have lost one white too. So here's the white, here's the blue. Turn it to the blue diagonally, and then do the left trigger because it is on the left. As you can see, blue second layer is done. Now rest all is left. You have to do the same with every single color. You have to find all the non-yellow stickers and just match it. Okay, so here I have red, green. I'm going to match it to green, right, like this. So up of the green there is red, Okay, I'm going to here is red and here is orange, so I'm going to turn this up face to orange and then do the left trigger because red is on the left. Okay, now I'm going to match this on the red and then do the right trigger because the white is lost, so that's why I'm going to do this. Okay, so we are one step closer to do this. Only this is left, then and this is left and this. Okay, am I going to do that? Let's do that. Okay, this is here, do the left trigger and then the right trigger to find it back, and okay, this is red. This is blue, so I'm going to turn the opposite way and then do the left trigger because it is on the left, and then do the right trigger to make this back in their place, and yeah. Okay, so the second layer is completed. So some of you would have a plus, some of you would have like nothing here, just a yellow center maybe, or like one or two yellow center, one or two pieces. So what you have to do, I will tell you algorithm which I'm not going to do because it's already plus for me. I'm not going to move this. You have to do F U R U prime R prime and F prime. If you will do this again and again, then you will get a plus. And after doing this algorithm, if you don't get a fish, if you don't get one yellow extra piece here, then you have to do this algorithm. As I don't have, I'm going to do that. Okay, you are going to do R U R U R U2 and R prime. Okay, as you can see, for me 2 extra pieces is there, so I'm not going to accept this. Okay, I'm going to do the algorithm again which I did before. Okay, R U R prime U prime R U 2 and R prime. Okay, it's not done still, that's fine. Yeah, I'm going to tell you one more time. You will get something like this. These both are yellow and in between some other color. You may have any color. So what you have to do, you have to turn these both yellow corners to green, and exactly opposite the green, blue, you have to start from there and do this algorithm which I'm going to tell you. Okay, R U R prime U R U2 R prime. You have got a fish. So for you something like this it will look. Okay, you have to make this fish here. They should be in this corner of your, like in the left corner. If you'll see like this, like I am, you have this fish's mouth should be on the left corner. Okay, now to solve the fish, you have to do this. Okay, R U R prime U R U2 R prime. This yellow part will be solved and nothing happened to white, if you want to know. Okay, so as you can see, this is also done. Now what you have to do is that solve the last layer. To solve the last layer, you have to find like this. You will always get something like this, or maybe here orange will be there, or any other color. So you have to do this algorithm by facing this to your face. Okay, and you are going to start with this left. Okay, L prime U R U prime L U R prime R U R prime U R U2 R prime. So you get something like this, maybe. Okay, don't worry, do this algorithm again. L prime U R U prime L U R prime R prime R U R prime U R U2 R prime. So now all the corners are solved, and in bonus this is also solved. One color must be solved from your these faces. Okay, so now you will get only three faces left which have just their edges incomplete. So you will find three. So there is the corner one corner one, then second corner one, this is the middle one. So you have to start with the middle one. So you have to face the middle one with your face. You have to see like this, like I'm. Okay, so now you have to do this algorithm which I'm going to show you. Okay, F2 U R prime L F2 F2 L prime R U F2. As you can see, my Rubik's Cube is solved. Okay, I hope you learned something from my video. Now let's end with something cool. Okay, let's end something with a pattern or something if you want. So if you want to make a pattern, it's just easy. You can solve it again like nothing happened. Okay, you have to get a solved cube and then turn it twice like this. Wait 1 second. So 1 and 2, the other one also 1 and 2, both oranges come. Then what you have to do, you have to turn this side also 1 and 2, and this side also 1 and 2. Then what is left? This is left 1 and 2, 1 and 2. This is a flower pattern which you can draw. Okay, you can draw this easily, and if you want to solve it, just do the same thing again. 1 2, these both will be solved. 1 2, these both will be solved. Then you have to match this with the green corner, this green center, and then we'll be done with this. Your Rubik's Cube will be solved completely again. So this was just a fun fact or something. I'm going to show you more patterns in my coming videos. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to see more videos. Thank you.